Good morning, Cooper. Who's Mama's happy baby? Who's Mama's happy baby this morning? Yeah? Yeah? Is it Thursday? Daddy's pretty excited about this Thursday stuff. Yeah? Yeah? See, I'm going to swim with my Aunt Danielle later. Yeah. 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 It's a pretty good Thursday. Hey, good morning, guys. Look at your feet that they're going. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, are you happy? Try to talk to Mama. Are you happy, Coop? Are you a pretty happy guy? Yeah? That's pretty fun in my room. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Where's that Mama? Huh? What's she doing to you? Giddy, 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 giddy. What is she doing to you? What am I doing to you, honey? Yeah. What's going on? Yeah. You cracked me up with the kicking of those feet. Yes. Yeah. Oh. Oh, you found him again. You want to show him what you're looking at? Show him what you're looking at. Is that old Grinch? He looks at me a lot. That old Grinch looks at me a lot. Yeah. 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 Oh, did you find him again? Who's got you over there, huh? What's got you over there? Look. Oh, did you find... Oh, that cat nap. Ain't that such a one of them, Tim? Yeah. 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 Now what? Are y'all wore out? You've been doing your exercises this morning and now he's wore out? Huh? Oh, that Grinch is looking at him again. Say, when I changed my diaper, I had to look at that old man. And what you doing on my wall? Yeah. Oh, clear that throat. Clear that old throat. Sound like you got your motor running. Oh yeah, yeah. It's our beds we never lay in. Yeah, because we're a little spoiled. We're a little spoiled. Yeah, there's your bed. Yeah, you're a little spoiled. Yeah. Tell him bye-bye. There you go. Good job. Oh, that's better.